we know that it's less dense, but why is it less dense? Wait. Sorry? Okay, there are some pockets of air inside your fruit, that's why it floats. Okay, go back. Just we're gonna compare these two. One is spewed, alright, this is spewed, it's the same. Okay, okay, let's try. Oh, this one. Okay, come try. Now, what do you notice coming out? Air bubbles. So why do you think this sinks? Because the skin traps the air, right? And once you take out, all the air pockets are escaping. Okay, so that's the reason why. Okay, is this heavy or light? Heavy. Okay, let's try. Don't hard. Okay, good. It's really very. It's less dense as compared to water, right? You realize nothing to do with the weight, because your sheep that can float on water, they are all very heavy, but they must be less dense than your sea water. That's why they can float. Okay? Don't drop it, careful. You get all wet.
Cannot see.
It floats, guys. If you go to the supermarket, when you carry the watermelon, you know it's very heavy. But it's still less dense than water. It means this, guys. If I were to take out all the watermelon juice and everything, and I were to fill this up with water, it will actually even be heavier than the actual watermelon. You know what I'm saying? Because water is actually quite dense. It's not as light as we think so. Okay? About grape. Your small grape actually is more dense than your big watermelon. It's more dense.
Because inside less air.
Nothing to do with surface area. Less air. So yeah, less air. How about this? Last one. Float or sink? Float.
Yes, I see. No.
This one interesting. How about this one? One more volunteer. Tank, you need to put lots of salt, because when you put salt and you stir, you're actually increasing the density of the water. What happens is, because you know your particulate model, when you know your water particles, they are sliding past each other. They are close but not so close. When you add salt particles, you're adding more particles inside the water, you're causing it to be more dense. And when the water is more dense, this one will float. Not this one will sink. Okay, this one will float, because the water is now more dense. Alright, I hope this has explained to you about density. Okay.